friends, today I am in a resort and welcome back to Surya's World. Today I will show you my dollar bill resort. Let's go. Here is my friends and family. Hi. We are in a mountainside. There's a beautiful lake behind us. I will show you right now. This is our dollar bill resort.
Here comes my brother.
Here comes my brother.
Hi, brother. Say
Hi.
hi.
Say hi. Hi. We are in Dollar Bill Resort. So, in the Dollar Bill Resort, we have a pool. The pool is big for people and small for children. Means there's two pools. One is small for the children and one is big for the people. And here is a little table. Here is a little table where you drink your tea and coffee. And in the evenings you can do. Let's go the pool. The pool. This is the big human's pool. It is so big and so deep. This is the little children's pool. This is where we go into the pool, and this is the little children's pool where we play in the swimming pool. Okay, thank you. This is Dollar Bird Resort, and this is the best resort ever. See you next time. Bye.